Use Mobile App Builder as the primary tool to build and manage screens and records that make up workflows within ServiceNow mobile applications. You can create and organize records, view live previews of how components will appear in the mobile app, and streamline mobile configurations. In the navigation field, select Mobile App Builder. The Mobile App Builder displays the application scope selection page, where we can view different application scopes and their details, like short description and last updated date. Use the search bar to find a specific application scope. In this case, we'll search for the field service mobile application scope. The category's home screen displays commonly used configuration options, like mobile app configurations, mobile notifications, screens, cards and icons, functions, and data. We can also search for all mobile records to find and access by type or name. Select New to create a new record for the selected category. In this case, because we're on the Screens page, we can view the different screen types we can start with. Let's select an existing screen to configure its settings. We can create and configure the screen from scratch, or use Web to Mobile to select an existing web component to serve as a template. We'll select Web to Mobile, then Continue. Next, we select the table that contains the fields we want to display on the web form. In this example, we'll select the sourcing form. Web to Mobile features 3 cards to serve as the template for the mobile record screen. Use an existing card to select from created cards. You can preview the card and make changes before confirming your selection. Use a generic card to start with a basic card template that has the essential components needed to begin. Select Use Now Assist to create the most relevant card for the record screen. Now Assist uses semantic search to populate the card with the fields that best match the web component. Select Generate to preview the card and make changes before confirming your selection. You can also regenerate the card to include different fields and view more options. This card looks good, so we'll select Looks Good, Continue. Now we can see the record screen from the Screens view. Screens are a collection of components used to visualize data components. The configuration tree displays the components of the screen. Select a specific component to view its details. The mobile interface preview shows the live preview of the mobile app in both light and dark mode. Cards are predetermined layouts that can show visuals, text, and data icons. Mobile Card Builder opens, and we can select card templates to use on the new card. Search for specific templates by using the search field or the application scopes, types, and name filters. We can return to Mobile App Builder to make other changes. We can also access cards and icons from the category's home screen. Select a card from this list to view its configuration details. To make additional customizations, we select Open in Mobile Card Builder. Configure functions in Mobile App Builder to determine what users can do when they tap UI element or use gestures. Use functions to create and configure navigation options, user actions, and UI elements in the mobile app. We select an Accept function to view its details, like its properties, action item, and settings. We can also view examples of where functions can appear in the mobile app in the mobile interface preview. Data items are queries on a selected table that bring back data that's presented on a screen. Click into a data type to view its properties and what conditions must be met for the data to be displayed. Mobile App Builder facilitates the creation of ServiceNow mobile applications in one place, enabling you to streamline mobile configurations and management.